Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this here. This is the Temtop, and it is an air meter, so this should be able to tell me how good the air quality is. It's the model S1, it says on here. So there's the information and the barcode, I guess, for it. So let's check this thing out. Oh, look at this. Like, you know the way tape is usually hard to open? This one here comes with a little flap on it. So I should be able to open it up nice and easy. Very cool. So let's see how this looks. So here's the box empty. Here's everything that was in it right here. So it looks like we get the manual. We have our air quality meter. And on the back, I don't know what this is. I think there's a wire. Oh, probably a charger for it. Charger. It looks like it's USB to USB-C, so that's nice. And then I guess this is the stand, so somehow you can stand it up on here. Or mount it. Oh, looks like it'll stand up like that. So it'll be, a stand. Let me see. There, magnetizes on the back, so it'll be like that. So ooh, got the nice peel. Let's peel off the cover here. Ooh, satisfying. It didn't make any noise, but satisfying nonetheless. So let's see, how do we turn this thing on? Looks like there's a button on top, and look at that. It's on. And there we can see we are at 0.8, 0.4. We have very clean air in here right now. And let's see, it's hard with the light. The light's reflecting this thing right at me. You guys can see it better than me. I can see it, but then it's backwards. But it looks like it's 21.4 degrees Celsius. So let's see if we can go into the settings. I could probably change different settings on here. Let's see. I don't know. I'm not sure how to change it to Fahrenheit. Oh, there we go. I held down this button up top. Looks like there's two buttons up top. One turns it on, and the other is like a settings button. So I changed it. So now we're at 70.8 degrees, which is accurate. I don't have another thermometer. That's it. But how cool is that? It gives you the PM 2.5 and the AQI, and it says my air quality is good. So very cool. So I'm going to leave this thing set up here and have it constantly monitoring. So very cool. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.